If you're planning to record on a professional studio, then there are 3 things you should never do. Hi, we're Identical Image, and the first thing you should never do, seriously, don't do this, okay, is come to the recording session unprepared. One of the most frustrating things for an engineer is seeing an artist come into the recording session and come in unprepared. Especially when the artist is using their studio time just to rehearse the song. It is really important that the artist is already familiar with their own lyrics. I mean, this can obviously affect the performance, and it may appear that the artist is simply just reading the lyrics. The solution to this is basically practice at home. You'll be surprised how many artists and how many musicians just don't practice. Talking about practice. We talking about practice. Never. The second thing you should never do in a recording studio is place your food or drink near the engineer's studio equipment. This may be the top of the list as one of the most frustrating things for an engineer. The risk of his equipment being severely damaged will trigger the engineer's anxiety, and he may simply throw you out. The solution to this, that if an engineer hands you a bottle of beverage, he expects you to twist the cap, take a few sips, and close the cap again. And after that, keep the bottled beverage with you at all times. In that way, the engineer's studio equipment may not be at risk of severe spillage. Never. Third thing you should never do inside a recording studio is touch the equipment. Sometimes an artist may feel a little too comfortable, especially if he's kicking back and trying to rest his feet on the engineer's equipment. This can severely deteriorate the current business relationship. Think of it like a relationship between a barber and his client. You never see a client reach for the clippers. The solution to this is trust and communication. An artist who lacks trust and communication can be found hovering over the engineer and trying to twist knobs and start moving faders. Remember to trust and allow the engineer that you hired to do their job, and properly communicate with examples of how you want your music to sound like. In that way, they may execute your ideas. This is Identical Image, and comment below if you want to see more videos like these. So if you like this video, then check out these other videos we got. So please like and subscribe and press the notification bell. So with that being said, ooey on 3. 1, 2, 3.